Introducing Pacvac's corded Velo. Small and mighty, it's compact, lightweight and powerful. Velo comes with a thick padded Ecoharness for a supportive fit. With a power switch located at the base of the machine, Velo is designed for convenience while you clean. With a powerful flow-through motor, its strong suction will help you tackle all your cleaning tasks with ease. Using our wand tool holder, you can conveniently switch between the dusting brush, crevice and upholstery tool that comes standard with Velo. And introducing our new cord holder, making it easy to protect and store your cord as you travel between jobs. With a Hypercone 4-stage H13 filtration system, Velo provides clean air for your environment. Velo comes standard with our all-purpose floor tool, designed to easily clean both low-pile carpet and hard floors. It's a favourite amongst cleaners. Weighing just 3.9 kilograms, Velo is one of the lightest backpack vacuums on the market, which means you can easily get through work and get back to the really important things in life.